How old were you when you hit your first million?
Oh, I was so young that time.
How
20 years old.
20 years old! First million for 20 years
Yes, I hit
old.
my first million when I was 20 years old. Parang walang pumasok na pera sa tagal ko nagtatrabaho.
Good morning, Steelmates! At ngayon, may kasama tayong legit talaga na business owner. Isa sa mga king of e-commerce, Mr. Chester C. So,
Ay,
ayan.
maganda mga
Steelmates.
teammates or bakal.
Bakal.
Mga kabakal. Yan. Thank you so much, God, for being here and ang ganda ng ng setup po dito. Very, very productive.
Yes.
One word, if I will describe Litify, very, very productive at nag-i-scale. Congratulations.
Yes. Thank you,
Congratulations.
sir. So, yung video pala na to is a special day kasi for us. Kasi we're transitioning our warehouse to a warehouse management system. So, madami nang ina-add na produkto, madami tayong client na pumapasok. Ang nagiging problema na oversold, meron tayong mga buyers nagagalit, hindi natin nabibigyan ng stock. So, it's time for us to automate. It's time for us na malagyan ng kahit konting sistema itong warehouse. And thankfully, nahanap ko si Sir Chester na provider ng warehouse management system dito sa Pilipinas.
Yeah.
So, yun. Sir Chester, konting background lang kung bakit kailangan ng mga business owners or mga warehouses ngayon ang warehouse management system ni Payrecon.
Yeah, so I'm representing Payrecon here in the Philippines. So napaka-importante po sa isang business magkaroon ng process and system and automation. Okay, the goal po ng isang warehouse management system tsaka order management system, first is efficiency. Number two is to be cost-effective. Alam po natin, ang CapEx is very important para maintindihan, which most businesses is naka-focus on marketing and selling. But once you understand how to be efficient, more cost-effective, your business will really grow. So, yun yung isang magandang move na ginawa ng Litify right now, the Sir Gab and his family na start to automate things, start to be more efficient, start to be more effective, and start to be much more profitable.
Yes.
Ba't pa tayo nagninegosyo,
Yes.
di ba?
Tama.
It's all about the profit also,
Yes.
di ba? Oo.
Sir Chester C, ito kasi marami tayma viewers ngayon, ayan, mga homeowners, aspirational business owners. Question lang para ma-lighten up natin tong content. How old were you when you hit your first million?
Oh, I was so young that time.
How
20 years old.
20 years old! First million for 20 years
Yes, I hit
old.
my first million when I was 20 years old.
Ayan. And sir, to all our viewers out there, what would be your advice sa mga aspiring business owners, mga growing business owners na ngayon sa Pilipinas?
Always remember to know your numbers. And knowing your numbers is through monitoring. And through monitoring, that's why I really bring Payrecon here, is because of the monitoring and knowing the numbers.
Yes.
Because when you run your business, doesn't mean that you have sales. The question is, do you have profit? Because most of the businesses, ang liit na lang ng margin, napupunta pa sa mga pasahod, paupa, and miscellaneous. If you don't know how to count these numbers, darating ang time magiging burnout ka. And you will look at your bank accounts and sabi mo, parang walang pumasok na pera sa tagal ko nagtatrabaho.
Yes.
Because you were not able to monitor it. Why? Because yung manual. Sa dami mo nang ginagawa, ikaw nang nagpapatakbo, ikaw minsan nagpapak, ikaw nagdi-deliver, ikaw nagdi-receive, ikaw susulat ng check. Lahat ginagawa ng isang entrepreneur eh. Tapos yung monitoring, yan yung minsan ayaw nila nang gawin kasi basta may benta, karamihan, may kita.
Nakikita. Opo.
Pero sa totoo minsan, or karamihan sa nakikita ko po is hindi kumikita. Kasi hindi po na monitor. Using a system that would monitor everything, using the system to see, nabanggit ko kay Gab kanina, is yung cost to serve. Okay? It's very important. Malaman mo, pag isang order mo, magkano ba yung cost to serve mo?
Yes.
And how will you do that? Pag wala kang system, hindi mo magagawa mo manually, pero mahirap yun. Pag you understand how to count everything and to process everything with a system, definitely mas mabilis mag-scale, mas mabilis ma-understand mo yung number mo, kung saan ka mag-expand at mag-scale, paano ka kikita lalo. Yun, doon pumapasok ang millions ta.
Yes.
May sales naman eh. So darating mo, ayusin mo na yung operations mo, monitoring mo,
That's good.
cash flow mo, and everything would just go smoothly because everything is seen. Parang nagninegosyo ka pero naka-top view ka. Usually kapag nagbi-business mo kasi tayo, nakaganito po tayo. At nakikita mo minsan lagi problema. Kasi
Yes.
nakaganyan po kayo. Pero pag may system po kayo, view po ang kita nyo. So you know what's happening because you have the system. Yung system po ng Payrecon, view po yan. Everything kita nyo po sa lahat ng lumalabas, pumapasok, anong store, anong SKUs, sino bang gumalaw niyan, may nagnakaw ba yan? Sino nagnakaw? Madedetermine mo ever. Sino bumenta ng agent mo na mas malakas? Lahat po yan. Monitored in one dashboard. Imagine that. That's the power of having a Payrecon system.
Payrecon system.
Yeah.
So guys, itatag namin sa post na to yung page ni Payrecon Philippines. So if you're interested na to automate your warehouse, to have systems in place, parang sabi nga ni Sir Chester, malaman yung cost to serve, malaman yung business from a bird's eye view. Hindi siya from a front view, from bird's eye view. Ito na talaga yon. So itag namin sila, inquire lang kayo sa kanila, they'll be messaging, replying to you regarding the details kung paano nyo i-automate yung warehouse nyo, yung business nyo ngayon. So, maraming salamat Sir Chester for taking us as one of your clients, and grateful din kami kasi Payrecon Philippines came at the right time, at the right place, which is here at Lipify Steel. So, until our next episode mga ka-Steelmates.